Welcome guys to another episode of Galaxy Brain with me. Yes, so in today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make your Aternos server uh, up for 24 hours. I can't speak English, okay? How to make your Aternos server keep running uh, forever at least. I mean, it's not forever, but close enough, I guess. So, the way you can make Aternos run for 24 hours is by taking damage on a cactus or a lava, I don't know. But I've tested it on a cactus. I haven't tested it on lava, but I've tested it on cactus and it works. So, uh, if you're familiar with Aternos, you know that the normal AFK thing like that, the normal AFK thing like that doesn't work because Aternos knows that it's just you spinning on water or AFKing on water. The way Aternos uh, identifies if a player is AFK is if they're not placing blocks, not breaking blocks, not taking damage, or not using an item storage like a chest and stuff like that. So, essentially, if you take damage on a cactus infinitely, you can keep the Aternos server running for as long as your computer is open. But if you go to survival, you'll die. So, my Galaxy Brain, it's actually very easy. But, wait. You give yourself resistance for true. And you sit on a cactus and you wait. And if you do, you can now AFK after that. But, let's say for some reason, your resistance effect ran out, even though it says it's infinite. You can just do this. Boom, easy. And now you can now permanently AFK without the game kicking you. My brain is just so galaxy.